Hey everybody, this is Gary Fong here, and I wanted to introduce to you our brand new website, our complete reboot of our website. And if this looks a little bit familiar to you, it should, because what we did when we did the design of the site was we closely emulated Amazon. Amazon being the retail leader in e-commerce, I'm sure they spent like $1 billion to study people's viewing habits and how they browse and everything like that. But also the fact that everybody buys on Amazon, you're definitely going to be accustomed to the shopping cart being in the top right corner, your search tab being in the top center, and all of your products basically being in a thumbnail, smaller format, not confusing navigation or anything like that. It's basically the products in a march straight down below. So on our new website, you see the same thing. Tab, shopping cart, products, and down here is the live chat. Let's look at the old website. The old website was a slideshow, and then we'd have some, featured products and things like that. But this didn't really drive people in a navigation way. It just seemed uncomfortable. Even little things like the cart being a word and not an icon of a cart. I'll show you our new one, which is there's a cart, and we are used to seeing that. I know it's the small things, but it's the small things that matter. So our GaryFong.com site is e-commerce, and so we want to get you in, get you out, and make it comfortable and pain-free as fast as we can. So really excited for you to visit the new site. Share it with your friends, GaryFong.com. Thanks for watching.